All right, let's talk about getting that amazing, radiant skin. Today, we are building the ultimate shopping list. But here's the twist, we're not heading to the beauty aisle. Nope, we're going straight to Costco to find 5 powerhouse foods that can completely transform your skin from the inside out. So, let me ask you this. Have you ever spent a small fortune on some miracle cream that promised to lift and tighten everything, only to find, well, nothing really changed? It's super frustrating, right? But the reason why is actually pretty simple. You've been trying to solve the problem from the wrong direction. Okay, here's a brilliant way to think about it. Imagine your skin is a really nice mattress. All those expensive creams and serums you're slathering on, they're basically just smoothing out the bed sheet. It might look a little nicer on the surface, but the real issue, the sagging, is happening much, much deeper. And this brings us to the real hero of our story, collagen. Collagen fibers are literally the springs inside that mattress. When those springs are strong and bouncy, your skin is firm, it's plump, it's youthful. But as we age, those springs get weak, they break, and the whole mattress starts to sag. You can't fix broken springs by ironing the bedsheet, so we have to fix the springs from the inside. So how in the world do we fix those springs? Well, our first stop on this Costco shopping trip is all about rebuilding them. We're starting with organic bone broth. I like to call this stuff elasticity support. This is so much more than just a soup. It's like a construction kit for your skin. So why is this stuff so amazing? Well, a good bone broth is simmered for a long time, which breaks down all that goodness into tiny amino acids. These are the exact building blocks your body needs to create new collagen. It's also loaded with hyaluronic acid, which pulls moisture deep into the skin, giving you that plump look. Your body just soaks it up and puts it right to work. And hey, stronger hair and nails are a pretty great side effect too. And getting it into your routine is so simple. Just treat it like a savory tea. Seriously. Warm up a mug, add a little pinch of salt and pepper, and just sip on it. It's this cozy, comforting daily habit that's literally rebuilding your skin from the inside. Okay, so we've got the building blocks. We've got the raw materials. But how do we actually get them to stick together and form those strong springs? That brings us to item number 2, citrus fruits. This is the essential collagen glue. This is the 1-2 punch your skin is begging for. If the amino acids from bone broth are the bricks for building new skin, then the vitamin C from an orange or a lemon is the cement that holds all those bricks together. Without vitamin C, your body literally cannot assemble those bricks into a strong collagen structure. The whole project just falls apart. But wait, there's more. Vitamin C is also a powerhouse antioxidant. It acts like a bodyguard, protecting the collagen you already have from getting damaged by the sun and stress. Plus, it's famous for brightening your whole complexion and helping to fade dark spots. Pro tip, have an orange right after you finish your bone broth. That's the golden combination. Now let's move on to our third item, which is all about getting that gorgeous, plump, dewy glow. We are grabbing a pack of wild sake salmon, but here's the secret. You have to make sure you get it with the skin on. Wild salmon is a total superstar for skin. First, its omega-3 fats are amazing at calming down inflammation. So if you deal with any redness, this is your new best friend. They also help lock moisture into your skin cells. But the real magic is in the skin itself. It is the most collagen-rich part of the fish. And that beautiful red color, it comes from a super antioxidant called astaxanthin, which helps protect you from aging. So please, whatever you do, do not throw that skin away. Here's the best way to cook it. Get a pan nice and hot and sear it skin side down until it gets unbelievably crispy and delicious. When you eat that crispy skin, you're getting a massive skin-beautifying dose of healthy fats and collagen all at once. Okay, next up we need to protect our investment. We're working so hard to build all this new, healthy collagen, so now we have to shield it from damage. And for that, we're grabbing some almonds or walnuts. Think of these as your skin's own personal protective shield. Almonds are just bursting with vitamin E, and you can think of vitamin E as a bodyguard for your skin cells. It's a special kind of antioxidant that protects the outer layer of your cells from damage. Basically, it stops your collagen from rusting and breaking down, which keeps your skin soft and flexible and helps lock in hydration. And you really don't need to go crazy with these. Just a small handful a day, we're talking about 20 almonds or so, is the perfect amount to keep your skin's defenses up. It's the easiest, crunchiest little insurance policy for your skin. All right, our fifth and final item. Let's talk about moisturizing from the inside out.
For this, we're grabbing a bag of avocados, which are pretty much nature's perfect skin cream that you can eat.
Now, please don't be afraid of the fat in avocados. It is the good kind, the healthy monounsaturated fat that your skin cells absolutely crave. These fats nourish your cell membranes directly, making them strong, supple, and smooth. That incredible glow you'll get, it's not from a highlighter. It's from healthy, happy, well-fed cells.
So there you have it. 5 simple, powerful, skin-boosting foods that you can find right at Costco. Now, let's put this all together into one clear, actionable shopping list so you know exactly what to look for. Here it is, your ultimate skin-boosting shopping list. You've got the bone broth to provide the bricks, the citrus fruits to act as the cement, the wild salmon to hydrate and calm everything down, the almonds to protect your investment, and the avocados for that deep, supple moisture. You can really see how they work together, right? It's a complete system for beautiful skin. And this really gets to the heart of the matter. The goal isn't just to cover up our flaws with products. It's about building such deep health from the inside that your natural beauty just has to shine through. It's a glow that comes from nourishment, not from makeup. So the next time you're thinking about your skincare routine, maybe your first stop shouldn't be the beauty counter. Maybe it should be the grocery aisle. Because what you put in your body is the foundation for everything else. So are you ready to start building beautiful skin from the inside out